Hi everyone, and thanks for joining me today. I have an extra special journal that I am selling. I'm destashing, and I have finished this one off this morning. I finished this one off this morning. It was one that had sat not finished, and it was such a shame because so much of my heart and soul went into this one. Trust me, this is my second altered book journal that I've ever made, but this one did take me a long time. I just want to say thank you for everyone who bought a journal from yesterday. They've all gone now, so I'm now in the process of finishing journals that I started, and I'm going to be listing them over the next couple of days. So this one I've sat and finished this morning, and I am so pleased with the way that it has turned out. It is a book, and I've just altered the book, so you'll see in a minute. So it is covered with this gorgeous fabric, and it is a big chunky quite a big book, and as you can see on the back, then it has this lovely lace and this gorgeous beaded floral trim, and then this lovely ribbon flower and pearl bow on there. Then I've used some organza trim, and this book did take me ages, I must admit. Now this is an actual book, so what I did was I thinned the book out, and then what I've done, as you'll see in a minute from the pages, I had to paint every page over the text, but you'll see. So in the front cover there's a lot of book page pockets in here as well. So you have a double book page pocket, and you have some ephemera in here like this. This is decorated. Now some of them are not decorated, so you can actually put your own touch in this journal. So most of it is done, but there are some bits that you could actually add more to. We've got this lovely charm, and you've got a pocket here with a big tag for journaling space, and inside you will see every single page has been painted all the way through the book. So this is an actual book just thinned out. Lots and lots of book pages. Now like I said, some of them you can decorate yourself. Now this is just a tuck spot pocket, so you can actually take this and turn this into another pocket tuck spot if you want. There's some extra bits and pieces in here. This is a double pocket there, then you've got a little tuck spot there. Lots and lots of ephemera in this journal. Another one here that you can decorate, and it has a little open out book there, and then some more open out ephemera tucked in there. And all this you can write on. You have another book page pocket, and I've left this one for you to decorate. You have an extra tuck spot pocket for if you want to put it there, or you could put some coffee dyed paper on there, so it's a writing spot. But you've got lots of extra kind of goodies in this journal, so you can take this out, and what you can actually do, you could take this out and fix it to the page if you wanted. So you have a tuck spot, or you can leave it like this and just pin it onto the page like so. And here's just took over Move Your Bum. Then we have another little book page pop with a little pocket, fabric pocket there. And just show you, so you can see, and it's got a little charm. And then we've got another little pocket here, and then it is also a pocket there with lots of ephemera in there, and you can decorate this one up. And then you've got this lovely beautiful floral thing with a tag in there that you can write on. I will actually put some ribbon in that one, because that one I forgot to put ribbon in, so I mustn't forget. I will leave that hanging out of the book, and I will put some satin ribbon. So then we've got this one, which has got like a lovely filigree and lace embellishment on there, and this is a triple pocket, so you've got all of these little bits and pieces, and then you've got a tag here Lots of writing space. You can decorate this one. This is a double pocket, so you can put something in there. Another one there that you could decorate. This is an altered playing card that I've just altered there. And then we've got a lovely tag with some gorgeous applique flower and some what is it called? I cannot remember. Here we have an envelope that you can fold out. You can either stick that together and put something in it, or use it to write on. Little tuck spot there. You could decorate this one. There's a little tuck spot here. I've got another beautiful image from a book, one of my handmade tags, and some trim and that on there. And this is an altered Project Life card. And then again, we've got a double pocket here with another one of my tags. That's another Project Life card. Ephemera, more ephemera there. And then you've got a little tuck spot here with a little butterfly. This is lace and that filigree on there. Just a little tuck spot. Another one of my tags from a Project Life card. Here we have one of those little coin envelopes. I won't open it, there's nothing in it. You could decorate this, put more on there. Bit of ephemera. One of my altered paper clips, and another book page pocket that you can decorate. Another one of these fold pockets. And then you've got one of my book page little tuck spot cards with some little bit of fabric on there. And then you've got some more ephemera. Another pocket with a tag. This is a double pocket, so you can add something to this, and you can, you know, add your own touch to this journal. I was going to finish it all, and I thought, well, actually, you might like to add some things in here so that it's something we have both made together. This is, if I can remember rightly, a little envelope made from a book page, and it's just got a flower image on there. And then we've just got a little paper clip holding that together. Another book page pocket with some ephemera there. Another one of my altered book pages. And then on another one of my tags. As you can see, this is just so full. And then we have another book page pocket, and this has just got a dictionary for affection and some couple little bits there. Right, you are taking up the whole space. This is one of those like the two we've got in the front, but I've added this in, so you see tuck spot. You've also got a tuck spot here, pocket there, and then this is a little oh, that's just a, oh, I know what that is. Right, okay, this is just a little, the back of it, but it's a little book, look, so you've got some little coffee dyed paper in this. It's a little pad, but it's just clipped over, so that's the front of the book, and then you can take it off and you've got some extra writing space. Another book page pocket with one of my just cluster embellishments, some ephemera, more ephemera, another one of my tags. Lots of gorgeous tags in here. And then we've got another corner pocket. I've actually decorated this one. And then you've got a postcard. That's the back of a flip. You've got extra things there. It's a book page pocket tucked in. And then you can decorate this one. Another one of my tags with, this was an old duvet, believe it or not. It was from Laura Ashley, so don't be so rude. It was, yes, rather posh. And then we've got some little ephemera, and this one is decorated. So I've decorated some of the pockets to give you an idea, stamp some of them, put some stickers on, and that will give you an idea how you can decorate the other ones. This is just an envelope made from some wallpaper. Why did that seal? Why is that sealed down? Oh, okay, I thought it was an envelope, but it is sealed. Oh, it's a little pocket. That's, I don't know what happened there. It was an envelope, but I've turned it into like a pocket for you, so you can just slip some goodies in there, and then yeah, you can decorate this if you wanted to. I was confused then. And then at the back you have a lovely flower image with a great big little tag thing there, and then an old book page pocket at the back here with some ephemera. So as you can see, it's quite chunky, it's got a lot in it, it is just heavy, heavy, heavy. It's absolutely stunningly beautiful. Now I'm asking £20 for this journal. Normally I would sell it for 40, but I'm trying to destash, so I'm asking 20, and then wherever you are in the country or out of the country, if you want it for postage, it is quite heavy. So I'm going to say in the UK it's going to be about £4.50. So £24.50 if you're in the UK for this gorgeous book journal. If you're out of the UK, I'll have to get it weighed because it's a really big book. Let me just give you the measurements of this. So it is 9.5 by 6.5. So as you can see, it's quite a big, hefty old book, but it has lots of, you know, what I did was actually, this is Patricia Viramonte's pockets, and I made loads of them because I wanted to remember how to do the pockets, and I wanted a book that had all of the pockets in so that I could remember the pockets. So if you are looking for ideas for pockets, there's one here, that's another one, that's another one. I think there's about 8 or 9 different pockets in here. So if you're looking for ideas and you want a journal that you can go back to and go, oh, how's that pocket made, you can actually see here all of the different corners and triple pockets, double pockets, single pockets. So yeah, this is why I wanted this book. Excuse me, but it's just sat there and it's too beautiful to just sit there. So if you're wanting this journal, please let me know. Just comment below or send me an email at the email address below. So, and thank you again for yesterday. I will be listing some more journals in the next couple of days, but this is an altered book journal and I hope it goes to a very good home. I'm sure it will. So thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.